given that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equals to 11, find the value with an s of x minus 1 over x. Why is there value with an x? Because there may be one or more of these values. One or more. Alright. So how are these two related to each other? They are related to each other via the expansion formula. X minus 1 over x squared. That's how where you can see x minus 1 over x. Squared this will be equals to a squared minus 2 ab plus b squared. Alright, so x minus 1 over x squared will be equals to x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Now the great thing is we know what is x squared plus 1 over x squared. Right, we know that. So this is equals to x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 2, and this guy right here will be equals to 11. So 11 minus 2, x minus 1 over x squared, and this will just be equals to 9, which is x minus 1 over x squared. So to remove the square, why? Because we are really interested in the x minus 1 over x, right? So to remove the square, we do a square root. Plus minus square root 9. So x minus 1 over x can be 3, or it can also be negative 3. Final answer for this question.